Okay guys, today we're going to be talking about factoring quadratics using the AC method. Now the first problem we're going to start out with is x squared plus 7x plus 10. Now recall this quadratic is in standard form. If you forgot what standard form looks like, I will write that off to the side right now. So we have ax squared plus bx plus c. That is a quadratic in standard form. And that is what we have here. Now in order to factor this, we have to multiply both a and the c value. Now in this case our a value is just going to be 1. Our c value is going to be 10. So when we multiply the two, 1 times 10, we get 10. So in this problem, AC equals 10. And now you say to yourself, what two numbers, when I multiply, are going to be 10, but add up to 7. Now when you first start doing this, you can write out these numbers off to the side. So we can just start writing two numbers when multiplied that will be 10. So for example, I can do 2 and 5, 10 and 1. And when I look at these, well, 2 times 5 is 10, and 2 plus 5 is 7. So this one checks out. Notice here, 10 times 1 is 10. However, when we add the 2, it does not equal 7, so we wouldn't want to use these. All right, so 2 and 5 works. So now all we have to do is put this right into factored form. So I'm going to do x plus 2 and x plus 5. And we are now done. That is in factored form. Okay, let's go into another problem. Alright, so our next problem. We're going to have x squared plus 10x plus 21. Again, using the AC method. Well, if we look at our a value, it's 1. Our c is 21, so a times c here, 1 times 21 is 21. So again, what two numbers when we multiply will be 21, but add up to 10. So we can write out these numbers again. When we first starting out doing this method, we can make a list of numbers. So 7 times 3 is 21. 21 times 1 is 21. So we'll stop here. If we look at these, well, 21 times 1 is in fact 21, but 21 plus 1 is not 10. So this one, that set is no good. How about here? 7 times 3 is 21, and 7 plus 3 is 10. Well, this is what we're looking for. So when we put this in factored form, we can simply write x plus 7 and x plus 3. Okay, so that is a quick rundown on factoring using the AC method. These were two pretty simple examples. It gets a little more complicated when you do in fact have an A value, and that typically leads to factoring by grouping. And I actually have a video on that, so be sure to check that out.